Ever wonder why your nose runs when you cry? Humans produce about 20 drops of tears a day even when we're not sad. These tears keep our eyes clean by washing away dust and tiny debris. Normally, most of the tears evaporate or drain through a small duct called the nasolacrimal duct, which connects your eyes to your nose. Usually, there aren't enough tears to reach your nose as liquid, so you don't notice anything. But when you cry a lot, like when you're really emotional, your tear glands go into overdrive. So much liquid flows down that little duct. It can't all evaporate. Result: tears spill into your nose and come out as a runny nose. So yap, crying means double the mess.